Hello everyone, this is Astrid with Kanen Coffee, and I have this Marzocco GS3 here. So this machine came in for a 12-month PM. It had a lot of mineral buildup here on the expansion valve, as you can see. So I did replace this as well as the boiler safety valve here and the vacuum release valve here. So I then descaled the machine to remove some of those minerals that you can see. I descaled both the steam boiler and the brew boiler. I replaced the group head screen. Here's the old one, it's just a little bit dirty. And the gasket, which was very brittle, as you can see here, it just breaks right in half. So I replaced both of those. Then I adjusted that new expansion valve, deep cleaned the group head, cleaned the steam wand as well, and just wiped down the whole machine. That's about it. So now I'm going to do a quick test shot just to show you that everything is working. So there we have our little bit over 9 bars of pressure actually for this shot. But the coffee isn't perfectly dialed in, so you might see the shot run a little, this one's running a little bit quickly it looks like. But it's just to show you that the machine can get up to pressure and that it works. So there's our shot. At least we've got some nice thick crema on there. And then I'll show you the hot water. Alright. And then here's the steam. Alright. That's about it for this video. So if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. Thanks for watching.